everybody, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy today for some reason, no reason in particular. It's really nice outside. I've been enjoying using natural sunlight as kind of my lighting lately. I'm not doing a makeup video today, so I kind of felt like it was okay to use natural lighting, which sometimes that's okay with makeup. I'm rambling. I'm gonna stop. So, basically, a little over a month ago, I did something called Fandom of the Month, and that is like fandom. Fandom would be like Harry Potter, Twilight. I don't know why those are always the two that stand out to me. Doctor Who, things of that nature, and it basically gives you, I think it's four. Oh, that's really bright right there. Maybe I'll try to stay on this side so I'm not like drowned out. But basically, this gives you 4 to 5 pieces of jewelry that is a fandom theme, so something that people are big fans of. So there's that. I'm really enjoying this lollipop, but I should probably put it down for the remainder of the video. And I think I know what the theme of this one is because I've seen sneak peeks of it online. I do think that this is technically March's box. So, the company or the people who run this do or have released a statement to their subscribers that said, hey, we're falling behind. There are some bumps in the road. So I think I'm about to open March's box for you, but I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, or you can see what month it is below. So I think from the last email I got, they made it seem like we will get April, May, and June's boxes at the end of June, so they're going to make sure that we do get all 3 boxes. We are just probably going to get them at the same time. So there will be a very large unboxing sometime towards the end of June, maybe beginning of July, depending on when I get to filming and when I get them sent to me. So with that being said, now that we got that out of the way and why I'm doing this one so late, it also has been sitting on my table for a while. I forget why. There was a reason I wanted to wait. Maybe I didn't want to put them so close together, like February's and March's. Does that make sense? So I wanted to hold off on this one. Anyways, we're going to get started. Now my lighting is dying because there's clouds. So lighting might go in and out. Last month's was Peter Pan. I'm not sure what this... Okay, so there is a little Peter Pan magnet. I actually love putting magnets on my desk at work, and I know what the theme is for this month, especially now that I've seen this, so I'm going to hold off on this. Can you guys take a guess? So it is Friends, and I kind of expected that from Instagram posts and spoilers that I've seen. This is one called Smelly Cat. A magnet as well. I'm a huge Friends fan. I am a Friends, probably in that fandom group that you would call that. I have friends that are even larger fans than I am. So if there's anything in here I don't like, I know that I have people I could give it to, but I'm probably going to want everything because I love Friends. I watch it almost every night on Nick at Night, and my boyfriend's always like, you're watching Friends again? And I'm like, you can never have too much Friends. And I guess that could be taken literally also. Okay, so I'm gonna start to open this. I'm so excited. I think I know what one of the pieces will be, but I only saw a spoiler for one. So everything else should be a surprise for me. This is, oh man, my lighting's gonna be so messed up now. This is the bag that it comes with, and it has the cafe in there. Didn't they make like a real Central Perk at some point? Isn't that a thing? I don't know, but I'm gonna start with the piece that I kind of knew I was gonna get just based off of pictures, and of course I can't get it open because of my nails, and it is much larger than I thought it was. It's almost like a chain, a small chain. But this is the peephole frame that is in Monica's apartment. So this is a necklace, clearly. Oh, I can just slip it right on. I'm not sure if this is something that I would wear all the time. It's a little big for my personal taste. So maybe this is something that I'm going to get. If it was smaller, I feel like I would be more likely to wear this. But it is a little chunky for like everyday wear for me. So maybe I'll see if my friend wants it. She's actually coming over tonight, so that's perfect. So now I'm going to just be going in and picking at random. And I'm just having such a difficult time opening all this stuff. So this is definitely a ring. Come on. And why is this so funny? I don't know why it's so funny. It says pivot, and it's got a little exclamation point, and definitely some sort of like fake, you know, I would doubt that that's like a real crystal in there. That for some reason made me laugh so hard. It's a little big for my finger. That's so disappointing. Maybe I could put this on a chain and wear it that way since it won't fit on my fingers. But I think that that is just like, I think that's something else. I think that's hilarious. Now, oh, here we have some pins. I did see also that they might start to like not do just jewelry all the time and kind of give you a mix of items, which I really don't mind, honestly. So these are definitely pins. We have a little lobster. I love pins. I always put pins on my purse, jackets, things like that. I've obtained a lot of pins from festivals. That is like one of my friend's like favorite quotes from the show, so I think I might give that one to her. We do have the couch from the Central Perk. And we also have our little turkey, gobble gobble with the little sunglasses on. So that's cute. Too bad my friend's birthday already went by. Otherwise I could have given her these as gifts. Oh, these are cute. These are earrings, and this is the last thing. Yeah, this is the last thing. So earrings, I kind of know that I'm going to get them every box, but if you guys have watched my videos before, you would know that I used to have gauges, so my earlobes are a little bit larger. They shrunk down pretty good considering how large my ears were. They were almost an inch. Which is, I think they were like one step away from an inch, but I can't remember what that was. But anyways, they were really large and they shrunk down pretty good, but it is still difficult for me to wear earrings because they fall out unless they're hoops, but then they kind of like droop a little bit. So to be 100% honest, I don't normally wear earrings. And I don't think that they're large enough that I would need to get surgery, so I'm just kind of like stuck with them like this. But just so you guys can see, oh gosh. Oh, these are cute though. That is really cute. Oh, I love it. Maybe I will wear them. I just have to be careful that I take it out before I get a shower because I wore my earrings from my last box that I had and I didn't take them off before I got in the shower and they like obviously slipped through the holes. But these are big enough that it shouldn't hopefully give me problems. See, I have to like tilt my head weird. There we go. Cool. Nice. How cute. Those are adorable. I love them. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. The sun is going down, which means it is my time to go. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already for more unboxings, makeup, chit-chat, reviews, things of that nature. If you have any suggestions of what you want to see, please leave me a comment below. Put on the little notification bell thingy. There are changes YouTube is making. I'm not going to get into it. You can also follow me on my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And as always, that information is in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Bye!